In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up with Hostinger in 2025. Whether you're looking to launch a personal blog or start an online business, creating a website with Hostinger is a straightforward process that can get your idea online in no time. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you're set up quickly and easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. You'll find the link in the description below. The Hostinger platform is a great starting point for anyone looking to establish an online presence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, its user-friendly interface is designed to simplify the web hosting experience. Once you're on Hostinger's homepage, the next step is to look for the Start Now button. Clicking this will guide you to their hosting plans, which cater to a variety of needs. Hostinger offers a mix of affordable and powerful hosting solutions, making it a fantastic option whether you're launching a small blog or a large e-commerce site. Choose a plan that best matches your needs and budget, and don't worry about making the wrong choice. Hostinger allows you to upgrade plans later if necessary. Now that you've selected your plan, click on My Account to proceed. This is where you'll either log in or create a new account. Hostinger's account management is intuitive and geared towards making your setup as seamless as possible, allowing you to control your hosting services, domains, and other features from one place. If this is your first time signing up, you'll need to create an account. On the login page, look for the link that says Don't have an account? Sign up. Clicking this option will take you to the registration form where you can get started. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information, such as your email address and a secure password. Make sure that your password is strong and unique to keep your account safe. Hostinger prioritizes user security, so taking this extra step to ensure your account is well protected is crucial. After you've completed the sign-up process, you'll receive a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. This step is essential as it ensures that your account is activated and ready for use. With these steps done, you're all set to start exploring the features and services Hostinger has to offer. From here, you can start setting up your domain, exploring website builder tools, and taking advantage of the many ways Hostinger can help you build a successful online presence. That's it. You're now signed up with Hostinger. Remember, beginning your web journey with a reliable host can make all the difference in your success, and Hostinger provides a solid foundation for whatever your website needs may be. Thanks for joining me today. Happy website building!